Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm wearing a very fresh face of nothing right now. I'm using the weekend to detox my skin a little bit. I got a facial last week and I really just wanted to breathe, but that isn't stopping me from filming my final condo tour. So Matt and I have been living here for almost 1 year now and it is finally completely finished, and I wanted to show you everything finished, especially our balcony before it gets like too cold and we have to put away all of our like patio furniture and rugs and everything. So I figured it's a gloomy day out today, the lighting might not be as good, but who cares? I mean, this is what our condo actually looks like. So I will be showing you around our condo. I'll go into depth on everything that where I've purchased it, and yeah, that's pretty much it if you're new here. So my name's Karina. I make videos on home, lifestyle, makeup, fashion, travel, whatever I'm kind of feeling at the moment. And make sure to subscribe down below and join our family. But let's just, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I'm just past 4,000 followers and we want to keep growing, so join the family. So let's just get on into the video. Okay, so this is our front door when you first walk in. Right along the side here, we've got a hallway closet and our front hall rug. So when you look straight in, this is what you see from our condo. Don't mind my glass of water right there. That's just mine. But yes, so to the right, we've got our bathroom. So this is kind of like an overview of what it looks like. So our cabinet is from Wayfair. The plants are from IKEA at the top. They're like little fake succulents. Our towels are from HomeSense. The bath bombs are from Amazon. The candle itself is from Bath & Body Works. And the jars are from like a sale that we had. But our shower curtain is from Wayfair and it actually matches like the tile. As you can see, it's like a dark, like a brownie color. So that's that. And then this is our rug from HomeSense, and then we've got our hand towels, but that's about it. Here I am. And then this is our sink with our toothbrushes and holders, and both of those came from HomeSense. So once we leave there, directly straight across is our kitchen. So as you can see, the kitchen is like open to the family room where the TV is. So over here in the kitchen is like an overview. We're renting, so all of these appliances were here before, but we bought a lot of the stuff on our own. The coffee make, this one is from Chapters. I'm trying to propagate some plants, but it's not really working, so that's from Amazon. Kettle is a Breville kettle. And then over here we've got some of our home stuff. So this is for olive oil or paper towel. I made some cookies, and then my parents got us a spice rack from Costco. Oh, so as you can see, they all have it and they've got like the names on the top of them. So that is that. And then we've got our toaster, KitchenAid mixer, and our soda stream. So the KitchenAid mixer actually got on sale at Home Outfitters because they were going out of business, so that's that. And then we've got all of our cupboards. They're like a dark brown wood. Again, we did not pick any of these finishings. These were here because we are renting. So that's that. It's kind of what it looks like. Our microwave. And then when you back up this way, we got this from, frame is from IKEA, and the print inside is from Society 6. So Matt really loves coffee. So we got that because I thought it fit really well in here. And then our rug is actually one that I had from my cottage a really long time ago, and I think it just works perfectly in front of the sink. So when you continue on, if you go straight, this is actually our laundry. So we have like built-in units, so that's perfect. And then over to the side here is our den. So a little overview of the den. This is from HomeSense. This pillow cover is one I got when I was in Europe. This painting is actually by my mom. So she does like artwork for us. She's got one other piece in here that I'll show you. But my mom did like this graffiti style painting, which I absolutely love. If you want to follow her on Instagram, I'll leave her Instagram like right here. So you guys can follow her and DM her if you want like a piece similar to this. And then across here, oh, there's me again. We've got sort of our like built-in units. So this massive unit is one. It actually came from IKEA. And inside over here on the top, I have all of my coats, and then Matt has his suits right here. And at the bottom there, I've got my makeup, and then we've just got like office supplies down there. But these two on the side are actually from IKEA as well, but they didn't come as one big unit. They're separate pieces, and my parents bought me these two side pieces for my birthday and kind of put them in there, and it actually kind of looks nice like as one big piece. So we use this for a lot of storage, like paper towels, cleaning supplies, extra towels, things like that. But Matt has his record player up there, and then we've got a like fake plant that I got from HomeSense. It's right there. And then over on this side, we've got a watercolor like painting that my friend did for me a really long time ago. And then these were actually flowers that Matt had sent me a while ago, and I had put them, like I had done fake flowers over top. So that's that. So that's that section there. Here is our like office desk space. So the desk itself is from Structube. It's actually supposed to be like a credenza for a dining room, but I used to use this when I lived with my parents at their place as my makeup table, but it fits here nicely because I liked how it was like almost as wide as the wall here. But that's that. And then this chair is also from Structube. It's the Abbey design, I believe. And then we've got our monitor because Matt works from home, so he works out of here when he's not traveling for work. And then I believe, I'm not too sure, that was Matt's light before we came, and then I just have our Apple Watch charger. So that's kind of like a general overview of like this area. It looks really cool. I'm really happy. I need to get a new pillow cover for this because I don't like the pattern on pattern, but I may use one of our old ones from the other room, but it's pink, so we'll see. But that's kind of that area there. And then when you turn all the way around, you've kind of got like our bar stools and our entry to like our family room. So a lot of people we've seen put like a dining room table here, but we don't really need one. It's just the two of us. So we figured that we would just kind of leave the space open. So we've got our bar stools, and these bar stools are actually the same as the chair, like the same design. So they're also from Structube, and they're the Abbey design. They're like this like darker gray color. Then when you walk over this way, we've got some pictures of Matt and I from our travels and places we've been or like events we've gone to. And then down here, we've got this light is from IKEA, our diffuser's from Sage, and then the pot and the plant are both from IKEA as well. And then in this cabinet here, we have all of our like wine glasses, alcohol, candles, overflow stuff, and this whole thing is from HomeSense as well. And then when you turn around this way, this is our like living room area. As you can see, I really like candles. But over here, it's kind of like an overview. So that painting, like I had mentioned, my mom actually did that painting for us. So she picked colors that kind of like went with what our space looks like, and did massive ones so it's like above the couch instead of doing like multiple paintings because we have these pictures here. So it just looked like a little too much if we would have done multiples. But going down here, so this chair is actually from HomeSense. It's like this like white with a pattern design you can kind of see. I really liked it because it's like a low back, so it doesn't cut off your view like from the kitchen. So I thought that was pretty cool. And we'll go over here. So this basket I actually got from an antique market. Now this antique market, it was like rusting, like it was literally like the paint was just falling off. And so I took it, and then when Matt and I went up to his cottage, I basically put like a paint stripper on it and just stripped the whole thing of paint and then re-spray painted everything. So I think it actually turned out really well. We use it to hold our blankets. Now most of these blankets have come from Nordstrom. This one came in a FabFitFun box. This gray one down here came from Simon's, and then this one was from Chapters. But these are the softest blankets. We love them, and I just keep them here because it goes with our couch. And then up here, we've got a picture of Matt and I from our friend's wedding, a little plant that I got from some random store. this is meant to be like an ice, like you put ice cubes in it and then you can put them like if you have guests over, but we just have like little chocolates in here for people to grab. And my mom actually got this from like a secondhand shop for me. And then this table actually matches our coffee table, so that's from HomeSense as well, and we got them together as a set, so as you can see they like match. So actually let's go right here. This is my mirror. Hello. So this is actually where I take a lot of my OOTDs when you guys see them on Instagram. So this mirror is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I'm not even kidding you. I think I got it probably 7 or 8 years ago, like before my parents had even moved into their current house when I lived with them. Like this was like when I just started university, I probably got this one. So it was a really, really long time ago. I think it was probably closer to 10 years. So I got that mirror there. It's just like a full length mirror, which I like. And then this plant is from our like local plant shop. And then the basket it's in is from IKEA. So it actually like folds into it. And then of course there's like a plastic pot in there. So that's right here. And then we've got these like super cute like twinkle lights that are behind it. So at nighttime when we have like all the lights off, we put those twinkle lights on. It's really cute. And then let's go over here. So over here we've got our TV with our TV stand. So this TV stand is from Joss & Main. We keep like cords and extra stuff in there. Like I think one of them is even empty. And then we've got some books and stuff underneath that I'll show you in a minute. But we have a picture of Matt and I when we went to the CNE, so the Canadian National Exhibition, a few years ago. And then this little candle holder is actually from my mom. She got me while she was away on her cruise with my dad and their friends. This plant or vase is from IKEA, and then the palm leaf is from IKEA as well. Then we have our TV and our cable box. But let's go down here. So I've got a little air plant there. These books I got off Amazon. They're from Megan Hess. I love her stuff. You should follow her on Instagram. Matt's friend actually got us this YSL book as a housewarming gift when we moved in, and then the thing on top is actually from HomeSense. And then over here we've got like our Nintendo Switch, just a crystal, and then a book that I made for Matt, and then a book that Matt made for me, and then a book that my mom had given me at Christmas last year. And then we have a M and a C mug that my dad had gave Matt and I for Christmas last year when we moved into our place. And then let's go over here. So we've got our coffee table. Usually I have like a vase with some flowers in it, but I don't know, they're kind of going bad, so I'll save it for the winter and then go back to the summer. But I have all these candles. So this candle is from Bath & Body Works along with the holder, and then this I got from Yummy Candles. I think I got this like salt one in a FabFitFun box, and then my mom actually gave me that tall one with the stand underneath. She had that she like didn't know what to do with. And then this right here, this thing is from the William Ashley sale, and then our coasters underneath are from Anthropologie. Oh yeah, I think it's Anthropologie. And then over here we've got our couch. So our couch is from Urban Barn. It is the most comfortable couch ever. It came with the 2 gray pillows, so we left those there, and then these pillow covers are actually from IKEA, so I just switch them out every once in a while, but I thought it looked cool with the printed picture. And then this right here is from HomeSense as well, the light. Our rug is from Wayfair. It's like a gray. It kind of like goes from dark gray. Here, I'll show you. It goes from like dark gray to like light gray, so we thought that the dark gray would be good here because if people have their shoes on, it like fades to light, so by the time they get to outside it's not as bad. But that's kind of like a general overview of this area. Our curtains, like the shears and the curtains itself, are from, I want to say Bed Bath & Beyond. I want to say that's where they're from. My parents actually gifted us those as well as the ones in our bedroom and the blind that comes down, but that's that. And we actually have a sliding door to go outside, which I'll show you in a minute after we do the bedroom. So right across from the living room, almost as if you're sitting on the couch, is our bedroom. Let me turn the light on here so it looks a little bit better. So here's the bedroom. So right away you can see Our headboard actually matches the couch. I wanted to try and make sure it all fit together, but it's just like a charcoal gray cover, and then the sideboards actually match the frame. But the blanket is like a mustard color, and I want it to be a little bit more masculine in here because there's pink. So this is from Nordstrom again, got it during the sale. There's one on each side of our bed, but these little rugs are from IKEA. The stands are from Wayfair. We have our Jillian Harris and Sage diffuser. And then again, the same lights as outside there because we want it all to match. This is Matt, it's from Amazon, and then his little rubber duck from our trip to Amsterdam. So if you go across here, you see some pictures. So the frames are from IKEA. This picture and this picture are both from our trips that were taken by Matt. And then this picture in the middle is from Society 6. It's like a print of two hands holding. We thought it was kind of like a good contrast. And then when you go down to the bed, we've got, actually this pillow his mom got at like a Christmas exchange. This is from IKEA, and the pillow covers are from IKEA as well. And all of the white bedding is from the Bay. Over here we've got our dresser. This was from my parents' place that I used to use like a really long time ago. I think I've had it forever. So we just kept it for now, and we'll leave it in case we want to get something new. We have our TV, only has Netflix and like Amazon Prime hooked up. And then we've got our Alexa, and then a little like jewelry catch-all. Matt will like put his cufflinks and stuff in here. And then over on my side, it looks exactly the same. Same rug, same nightstand. We each have books on our side, and then I've got like a little crystal in the top, and then a little catch-all for some jewelry if I forget to take it off. And then we also have a door to go outside from here. So these curtains are actually from IKEA, and there's actually 6 panels in here. So we want it to look super tight, so that way you couldn't see in, and it gave us more privacy. But then we've got like a rolling blind, which I'll show you. We've got like a rolling blind that actually goes down all the way across the whole thing. So at nighttime it's a blackout one, which is really nice because the sun comes in like right away. So that's that. And let's go outside. Okay, so before we head outside, it's actually pretty noisy out there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some video, and then I will do a voiceover to tell you all where everything is from, so that way you can actually hear me. Because we're on like in a condo, you hear all the traffic and everything. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll come back and I'll do a voiceover of where everything is from. Okay, so the 2 chairs and table are from Loblaws, a grocery store. The cushions are from my parents. The rugs on the ground are from Home Outfitters, but in this video they had just been rained on, so they're normally like a nice bright blue. The bin that you just saw was from Lowe's. These blue cushions are from Home Outfitters as well, since they were going out of business. Everything was super on sale. And the chairs and the little table there are from my parents as well. They gifted those to us. And then you see our great view of the lake. So that is our little balcony. Normally, obviously, the rugs are dry, but that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed this condo tour. I know it's small, but it works for us. If you like seeing more home videos, then please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!